sold 88 pounds and others.
Welcome to American Dream Garage and another episode of What's My Car Worth. I recently went to Florida and saw 4 RS 69 Z28s across the block. We will look at those cars and we will see the values. My car is a authentic X33 car, cowl induction, date code correct DZ suffix motor. Overall condition, I would put it as a 3+. It's an older frame-off restoration that I think will clean up eventually to a 2-. But let's see how it compares to what we saw at Kissimme.
Nice interior gauges, console, rosewood, matching numbers. Probably a 3+, 2 month, yeah, 3+. So this car is, it says older frame-up restoration. My car, I haven't determined if it's a frame-off or a frame-up, but it'll clean up at least as nice as this. Maybe nicer relative to some of these areas. Cowl induction. This car is a correct engine but not matching numbers, so that's just like my car. Same console, rosewood. This will be a really good test, because I would say everything about this car, my car, is equal to, I won't say better, but equal to, because there's some pluses and minuses.
Camaro RS Z28, original 302, original monthly 4-speed certified. Yes, sir. Yeah, so get 100, 100, 75, and 75 pounds, 75. What do you got? 40, 50, 40 pounds, another 50 pounds, now 60, 70, 70 pounds, now
you a driver or are you the owner of the car? Sometimes they have drivers when the owners of the car.
Certain answer on that one, and then they'll direct you to the right person.
Yes, sir. Thank you for your time.
No problem.
Yeah, they didn't lithium grease it. They probably needed.
It should be black, though. I don't know why it's that color. I don't know why they're estimating it to be so high.
Well,
I mean,
that's the thing,
it's not a disc brake car. It's not a cross ram car.
No.
It's a X33 is good. It's authentic, but it's an older restoration.
Looks well sorted out in here, though. I'll give them that.
Yeah, but it's an older restoration. So I would say this car, maybe Mecum Kissimme, maybe it'll get close to 100, but most auctions it'd be
Probably
80.
95.
80, yeah, 80 to 90.
Yeah, I agree.
So it looks like a good, older, good restoration. Not perfect, obviously. Not a close restoration. Restored to be a driver, but very nice. Yeah, see, older restoration, but it's still clean, kind of like mine. So we'll see what this one goes for.
Okay, I missed this. I mean, you look at this sheet, it says Camaro. It does not say Z28. It says it has a rebuilt 302 DZ motor, but it doesn't say matching numbers. And so they put everything on here that a Z28 has. It has Camaro here where it should say Rally Sport. So I'm pretty sure this is a clone. I can't go back and look at it. So on the block, we'll see if the market noticed what I noticed and see where it goes. It's a nice Camaro.
Yes, it is. I'm paying about 100. I have 100,000 out of it. Now warning at 30,000 to start it. Thank you. 40, 30, 40, 50, $50,000, $60,000 out of it. I have 50,000 out of it. I'm making it 55, 60. I have 55, goes 60. High down, 60 down 5. $60,000 down 5 of it. I negative $60,000 down 5. $60,000, 65. 66, 67. Free serve is off. That last call, high 67. So $66,000, $66,000 Jordan Hunter. Now offering lot W121 points.
Looking at Haggerty's valuation for the 69 RS, it goes between 62 as a number 4 and 182 as a number 1. These cars were all between a 2 and a 3. They were all solid 3s. Looking at our auction cars, the Clone, I think, of course, was overvalued. The rest fell right in the range where they probably should be. I would have expected maybe they would have gone a little bit higher at Kissimme.